Solving equations with their distributive property and by combining like terms. In this problem, we are going to solve for x using the distributive property and also combining like terms. Step 1. Distribute. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to distribute 4 into x plus 2. So note that this is minus 4, so we can treat it as a negative 4. So this would be negative 4x, then negative 4 times 2 will be negative 8, and we can write it as minus 8. Step 2. Combine like terms. So we have our like terms, and now we're going to combine them. So 10 minus 8 will get you 2. Negative x minus 4x will get you negative 5x, or 2 minus 5x. Step 3. Move all x variables to one side and constant terms to the other side. So we're going to move all the numbers to one side and all of x to the other. So I'm going to remove this 2x here. So negative 2x plus 2x, that'll cancel out. I have to do the same thing on the other side. Negative 5x combined with 2x, that gets you negative 3x. Then I'm going to get rid of this 2, so 2 minus 2. Then I have to do the same thing on the other side of the equal sign. So negative 22 minus 2 will be negative 24. So my result is negative 3x equals negative 24. Step 4. Solve for x by dividing both sides by the coefficient. So the coefficient of our variable is negative 3. So I'm going to divide both sides by negative 3 to cancel the coefficient out. And that will leave me with negative 24 divided by negative 3, positive 8. So x equals 8 is my answer. And that completes our problem.